Hello and welcome to another SuperNEC Basics Help video. Today we're going to be dealing with translation. Similar to what we handled in rotation, you can select parts or the entire structure that you wish to translate. In our case, we're going to be selecting the entire structure. You can see it's highlighted red. Push the Translate button in the menu at the bottom of the screen. You will now be able to put in coordinates for the X, Y, and Z positions that you wish to translate your structure to. As we did with the rotation video, you can now select from the drop-down menu whether you'd like to move the structure or duplicate it. In our case, we're going to select Duplicate. We'll be duplicating it 5 times. And to complete the translation, you just have to press the OK button. We now have 5 structures duplicated in 0.1 wavelengths apart in the X direction. And please note that our little disclaimer written on top about the relationship between translation and symmetry. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.